A MoneyLion card gets declined most often because the available balance is too low, the card is locked in the app, or a transaction gets blocked by fraud protection on the bank network. By the end of this, you'll know how to check why your MoneyLion card was declined, how to fix common approval issues, and how to stop future declines at checkout. Start by opening the MoneyLion app and checking your card status. If your card is locked, every transaction will fail, even if you have enough money. Unlock the card inside the app and try the payment again. Next, check your available balance, not just your total balance. Pending transactions can reduce your available funds and cause an instant decline. If your balance looks correct, but the card still declines, look at the transaction type. Some merchants or services are automatically blocked due to risk rules or category restrictions. Next, open your recent activity in the MoneyLion app. Look for any alerts, failed transactions, or security warnings tied to the decline. If you see a fraud prevention alert, MoneyLion or your card network likely flagged the purchase as unusual. In that case, try the transaction again after confirming your identity inside the app. Also check if you recently changed your phone, bank account, or login details. Those changes can trigger temporary security restrictions on your card. If that happened, logging out and back into the app can help reset your session. Next, make sure your card is properly activated. A partially activated card can still appear in your wallet, but will not process payments. If the decline happens online, verify that your billing address matches what is listed in MoneyLion. A mismatch between billing details and card records can cause automatic rejection. If your card still gets declined at multiple merchants, try a small test transaction. That helps confirm whether the issue is with the card or a specific vendor. Avoid repeatedly swiping or retrying large purchases after a decline. Multiple failed attempts can trigger stronger fraud blocks on your account. If everything looks correct but the card is still being declined, contact MoneyLion support. Provide your account email, transaction time, merchant name, and any error message shown at checkout. Those details help support determine whether the issue is a security block, account restriction, or system error. To sum it up, check your card lock status, verify your available balance, review fraud alerts, and confirm your card details are correct. Next, open the app and make sure your card is unlocked before attempting another purchase. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more MoneyLion tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.